Welcome to Learn with Leks, your learner-friendly guide to digital skills and tech confidence.
Have you heard about mail merge before? Yeah. So mail merge is used so for example, if you have to send a same email or a same letter to multiple people, but you just have to change the first name, title, and address. So you can use mail merge. So today we are doing this using Excel. So I have given you a sample letter. We have a letter here, and we have the recipients list. So this is my list. I want to send a message to all these people, but instead of typing the same letter like 8 times, so here it's only 8, but theoretically when they use mail merge, there'll be like more than 50 fields. So they have to, in a company, if they have to send the same message to everyone, they just replace the name. We can use the list of the names and use the Word document to send these letters, right? So for that, we just go to mailing and you have the mail merge option here. Like you can go start mail merge, but first we have to select the recipients. We select the recipients and you have 3 options here. Type a new list, use the existing, or choose the contacts from Outlook. So if you're using Teams, you can select the contacts from Outlook. If you type a new list, you can type the list here. But instead, we can also select a existing list. We use an existing list. And I have downloaded my recipients list here. I say open. So I have only one sheet. So I select sheet 1. And the first row of data contains column headers. So I tick this box and say OK. It's easy. It would be helpful if the first row is headers, like first name, title, last name, address, line 1. So you know what the data is about. So when you select mail merge from the Word document, so when they go back and refer from the Excel, it will be easy to get the fields if they have the header. Okay. So you have the recipients list. We can go and edit the list. If you click on edit list, you can untick few people who you don't want to send the letter for. But for now, I'm selecting everyone. And you also use the filters. So for example, I can filter the field by address and say, if I have the address line 2 as same for many people. So in the address line 2, I have Birmingham, Bristol, Manchester. For example, if I have London here and I only want to send this letter to the people in London, and I have a huge list, I can go here, go to filters, and in the filters, I can say address line 2, and I can say equal to, and type for example, Bristol, sending only to Bristol. So I can sort and see only, now I have this name, David, whose address is in Bristol. So I can send only to him. But for now, I'll clear the filter. We are sending it to all. You can also find duplicates if there are multiple people. If there are duplicates, you can find them and clear duplicates. We have a few more options here. We have greetings line. So if we want to do this one, dear for title and first name, I can copy this, go to mail merge, greeting lines, it's dear. So in my first list, I have, okay, wait, this is from. Okay, here I need to select the format, how it looks like. So I'm fine with this. last name. I only want the first name. Okay, I copied this one. Go to mailing, greeting line. Okay, let's keep the format as this one. Mr. Vandal. So this is the format. So if I go and see here, this is how it looks like for my contact list. So in the first list, I have Turner. And you can go and see the second Smith Patel. You can double check here. And this one is, so greeting lines for invalid recipients. For example, the Word can't get the data from Excel for those recipients. We just keep this as a default, dear sir or madam. You can edit this. You can type anything else here. So let's say OK. When you say OK, the merge field will be inserted here. So see, you have greeting lines here. We can take this out. Also, similarly, we need to do this for first name title here. So select the title, go to mailing again. So we have an option insert merge field. Are you following? Whatever the fields you want to insert, you can just copy, select it. Don't copy it, select it. Go to mailing, insert merge field. So I want to insert the title. I say title. It's inserted and give a space. And now select the first name. Oh. Yeah, first name. Again, go to mailing, insert field, first name. Last name, mailing, insert, last name. So if you want to view this, how it looks like, you can click on preview. See, it is showing how it is. So if you go and say next, you see different names coming up here. So now you understand how it's working, right?